Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? When you're hungry, or even just thinking about food, your brain signals your digestive system to get ready. If there's little or no food in your stomach, these muscle contractions push around air and digestive juices instead of food. This movement creates vibrations, which produce the growling sound. After a few hours without food, your body ramps up this activity to clear out leftover material and signal you to eat. Since there's less food to muffle the sound, the gurgles are louder and more noticeable. Fun fact: your stomach also makes these noises when you're not hungry. They're just quieter if you've eaten recently, because food dampens the sound.